Rajya Sabha Chair Jagdeep Dhankar asking the House to ensure that there is no ruckus that breaks out, and even the opposition MPs who are continuing to raise the Adani issue. So now, as we understand that both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha stand adjourned till noon. Unfortunate that this is the start to the winter session of the Parliament. Again, an extremely important session given how key bills like the Waqf Amendment Bill and even One Nation, One Poll, as is being said, would be discussed in this very crucial winter session of the Parliament. However, we are learning that Rajya Sabha stands adjourned till 11:45 a.m. That is for about 15 minutes. And the Lok Sabha that stands adjourned till 12 noon. It is primarily the Congress MPs who are raising the Adani issue. And the Adani row that is led by Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge. Loud slogans that were being raised on the floor of the House, and massive ruckus that led to the adjournment now of both houses of the Parliament. Lok Sabha adjourned till 12 noon and Rajya Sabha till 11:45. All right, we now cut across to more breaking news coming, and we are learning that questions are being raised over Minister Bharati Suresh's sudden visit to Muda office. This amid the Lokayukt probe. Republic has been telling about how the Lokayukt has been conducting raids. Now, doubts were raised particularly about the Urban Development Minister Bharati Suresh's unexpected visit to the Mysuru Urban Development Authority Muda office, which coincided with a Lokayukt investigation. The Lokayukt reportedly has issued a search warrant for the Muda office on the 28th of June 2024. Sources indicate that the warrant likely reached the Mysore Lokayukt SP on June 29, 2024, and the information was allegedly shared with the minister. Let me get further details from Sri Lakshmi to what the inside scoop is. What did the minister possibly do, and how questions are being raised over his visit? Over to you, Sri Lakshmi.
Well, Suresh, major allegations are coming up regarding Minister Bharati Suresh in this Lokayukta investigation on Muda case. Now, Lokayukta issued search warrant on June 28, 2024. A team of Lokayukta officials was ready to raid Muda office on June 30th. Meanwhile, what happens on June 29th, 3 urban development officials visit Muda office in Mysuru and carry around 140 files along with them. And on July 1st, Urban Development Minister Bharati Suresh visits Muda office. It is also alleged that he also had carried some files along with him. Later on, what happens? This search warrant will be cancelled. Now the big question is who influenced to cancel this search warrant? Why did Lokayukta cancel this search warrant which was given earlier? Was there any influence on Lokayukta officials to cancel the raid? And why did Lokayukta give away the information to Urban Development Department regarding the raid? It is also said that Bharati Suresh, after coming to know about this raid, he flew to Mysuru using a helicopter and brought those files. This is the allegation against Bharati Suresh. Now, this sequence of events has sparked widespread speculations with social media users and with the citizens of Karnataka regarding the integrity of Lokayukta investigation on Muda case. Now, the complainant Snehamayi Krishna has also raised a big question against the Lokayukta investigation, saying that it is not transparent, and Snehamayi Krishna has demanded a CBI probe against Siddaramaiah in this Muda case. He has also alleged that Lokayukta investigation is protecting Siddaramaiah in this case. Back to studio, Suesha.
Oh, absolutely, Sri Lakshmi. And given how sensitive the situation is, the damning allegations against the Chief Minister and those who were colluding with him, most importantly, how the Lokayukta is conducting this investigation, and so much wrath that may just come out. And given all this, while there has been a demand by the opposition in the state that it must be a fair and transparent probe, and for the very reason that it must be conducted by higher central agencies, what may happen on that front?